Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. This is Wali. Today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you that how to create this 3D model, and I will teach you that how to create this rope. You can see this rope and it is different from that one. So in this video I will also teach you to create this rope, and I will also create some lights in this 3D model. You can see these lights. So I will create some lights in this to say it night view. And this is another view of that 3D model. At the end of this video you will be able to create this 3D model just from a simple 2D plane. First of all, I would like to create this 2D plane for that 3D. So I already created this 2D plane, and if you want to watch this video tutorial that how to create this 2D plane, and that video link is given below in the description, and go there and watch that how to create this 2D plane. It is very important to make the copy of your this 2D plane. Simply select all of them and right click and then click on this copy selection and specify the base point. Let's click at this corner and go upward or downward and click here. Now you can see it is the copied of that, and then press enter to finish the command. Now you can see it is the copied here, so you must copy it. First of all, I would like to prepare this display for a 3D working. Now you can see it is all the 2D commands. For that, simply come to this right down corner. You can see this workspace switching, this setting symbol, and simply click on it and select 3D modeling. Now you can see all 3D commands are available here. You can use. I will use extrude and press pull command for this 3D. To create the 3D of this wall, so I would like to unvisible this other parts, like dimension, this section line and doors, windows, all the symbols. So I would like to unvisible them. Click on this layer and come here and unvisible this layer to the windows, these dimensions, and also text. Now you can see only walls are remaining, and before to start the 3D of these walls, so you must sure that your all these lines are joined. If I click on it, now you can see this all lines are joined. It means that these lines are combined to each other. If your lines are not combined, so you would like to select all of them and then type join and click on join to join your lines. And after that, come to this lift upward, click on this top and select isometric view. And after that, come to this extrude command, click on this extrude command and select this two room walls and press enter, and now go upward. So the height of these two rooms, it is a ground floor, so its height is 10 feet. So type 10 feet and press enter. Now you can see these walls having 10 feet height. And to show it is a solid object, so for that come to visualize. You can see this visualize and click in this 2D, and here different options are available. You can select any of them. Let's click on this conceptual. Now you can see it is shown as like a 3D solid, and I would like to select this shaded with edges. You can see we having two opening doors here. This wall having 10 feet height, and our doors having 7 feet height. So I would like to close this 3 feet distance here, 3 feet distance space here. For that, simply come to this solid editing and click here and select this copy edges, and after that come here and select this edge and click on this edge, this corner, you can see, and after that press enter and specify the base point. Let's click anywhere, you can click, simply click here and then come down, and you know that our wall having 10 feet height, so I would like to come down by 3 feet. So come down and type 3 feet and press enter, and again enter, again enter. Now you can see this edge line is copied here and here, and after that take a press pull command. You can see this press pull command and click on this edge and come to this side and click at this corner, and after that select this space and come to this corner and click here. Now you can see this opening is closed. You know that we having 2 windows in this room and 2 windows in this room, 1 window here, 1 window here, so we must draw their opening as well. So for that I would be in X-ray mode and come to visualize, click on this visualize and click on this visual style, come to here and click here, and after that select this X-ray, click on this X-ray. Now you can see this down lines and down areas visible, and after that come to layers and visible this window layer. Now you can see this window layer is unvisible, so I would like to click visible it. Now you can see this blue windows are visible here, 1 window here, 1 is here, and 2 windows are in this side. So for that I would like to draw here 1 rectangle here and 2 rectangles, 1 for this window, 1 for this, then I will open them. So for that first of all come to this visualize and click this coordinate. It is very important. Most students mistake in this coordinate and then they cannot draw their 2D objects in different surfaces. So now I would like to be in right page. Now you know that I am drawing in this page, so I would be in this right page, and after that come to home and click on this rectangle command. You know that our window is starting from this point and come to this side, and our window having click on this dimension here. You know that our window having 5 feet length, so type 5 feet and press enter, and the height of our window is 4 feet, type 4 feet and press enter. Now you can see this rectangle is drawn, and draw here, click simple here. Now you can see this rectangle is drawn here, and after that you know that our window is upward, so click on it and then right click and move and specify this down point is, let's say it is your base point, and R2 must be on, and then go upward by the distance up, let's 3 feet upward, so type 3 feet and press enter. Now you can see this rectangle is 3 feet upward, and now I would like to use another method to draw this window frame. For that come to home menu and select this rectangle and cursor your mouse at this you know this face, and then select this is your base point, let's this, and go upward, cursor your mouse this direction, and your window is 3 feet above from the bottom, so type 3 feet and press enter. Now you can see your rectangle will start from this corner, it is 3 feet above from the bottom, and it is adjust with this corner, and after that click on this dimension, and same dimension 5 feet is length and 4 feet is height, and now you can see this window is down here, and simply click here. After completing this so now I would like to click on this press pull command and click inside this window frame. Simply click inside this window. Now you can see I have cursor, it is selected, so simply click inside, do not click at this edge, simply click at this inside and go to some distance to this side, and go to this back side, and your distance must be more than the width of this wall. So simply click here. Now you can see it is opened, and after that same click at this inside and go to this side. Now you can see it is also opened, and by following same procedure draw two windows at this side as well. So after completing this opening, now I would like to again come to this visualize, click on visualize, and I would be in this realistic mode. And after that again come to visualize and click on this material browser. You can see this material browser in materials section. Simply click on it. You can see here in this small window, in this window all materials are available to use for your 3D. So simply click at this here. So now you can see flooring, glass, liquid, machinery, all metal, all materials are available here. Let's click on this machinery, and after that you can see this is open, and after that you can select any of them. Let's select one of them. And now I would like to add this material, so simply press Ctrl and click it and come add to this space. Simply click here, and after that to this space simply press Ctrl and then press the left click and then move here, and simply hold both of them here. Now you can see it is added to this space, and after that close it. Simply close it. But you can see here this second option, this material, select this materials texture on, both must be on. Simply click on it if it does not show like that. And after that you know about Roop Per Loop. Simply take this first of all come to visualize and select here this coordinate top, and after that come to home and click on this rectangle command and start from this corner and come and click at this corner, finish at this corner, and after that come to this press pull command, click on this press pull command and click inside this big rectangle. Simply click at this side, click on it. Now you can see go upward by 9 inches upward. This is Roop 9 inches, and after that select this space. You can see this space, and come to this side 3 feet, and for this side his will come to this side 3 feet. This space come to this side 3 feet. After that I would like to create 3D windows for these openings, these 4 openings, and I will also create 3D doors for this door opening. You can see these openings. First of all I would like to create 3D windows for these openings. You can see these openings. To create 3D windows come to visualize and click it visualize, and select this coordinate. So now I would like to create for this side, so it should be, let's show that side. It should be in a lift, so select a lift view. You can see this lift, and after that come to home and take this rectangle command. You know that the size of this window is 5 feet by 4 feet height, and 5 feet is the length. So start the rectangle and click on dimension and type the length is 5 feet, press enter, and the height is 4 feet, and then press enter. Now you can see this rectangle is round, and after that click on offset. You can see this offset, and type offset distance 2 inches, and then press enter, and then select this object and then come inside. Now you can see it is offsetted by 2 inches, and after that take this line command. You can see this line and start from this midpoint and come to this midpoint, click here and enter, and then again take offset command and type offset distance 1 inch, and select this line to this side, and then come to this side and press enter, and then delete this middle line and take this trim command and finish this side and also this part. and then press enter, and after that select all of them and type join to join these lines. Click on this join. Now you can see all lines are joined. After that click on press pull command. You can see this press pull command and select this line and go to this side 2 inches, type 2 inches, then press enter. Now you can see it is 2 inches, and then click on this press pull command and go to this side to open this area. Now you can see it is opened, and also this line, and go to open it. And after that click on this rectangle command. You can see this rectangle and start from this middle point and come to this corner and finish here at this middle point. And then after that come to this draw and click on this region. You can see this region and select this rectangle which you have drawn. Simply select it, click on it, and then press enter or right click. Now you can see it is changed to a region. So after that I would like to add the material for this window. So for that click on this visualize and then click on this add material browser. Here you can see, and you know that this is a glass. So now I would like to add the glass material. Come here and select this glass, and here different materials and different options are available. Select any, you can select any of them. So now I would like to select this one. You can see this blue one, so simply click on it. Now you can see it is added. And for this frame, you know that it is metal, so now I would like to add metallic material here. So simply select here metal and add that material. Let's click on it and select, you can select any of them. Now select this frame and this glass, and then right click and move it, specify base point. Let's then move it here. Now you can see this frame, so delete these lines, and after that select this two and come here and select this group and group weight. Now you can see it is selected as on one object. Now select this object and then right click and copy it. Let's copy and specify. Let's this middle point is your base point. Click at this middle point and come to this wall and sit here. So it should be at the middle point at this wall. You can see it should be at this middle point. Now you can see it is seated here. Now you can see this window is here, and after that come to the this side. And click at this midpoint. Now you can see it is seated. And copy one here. Now I would like to rotate it. For that click on home and click on this 3D rotate, and then select this object and press enter or right click, then specify this is your rotated direction. So ortho must be on. I want to rotate it by 90 degrees. Simply click here. Now you can see it is rotated by 90 degree, and after that copy it to this two windows here and here. Now you can see these four windows are completed and seated here. This four windows here, one is here, and after that I would like to create these doors. You can see these two doors. So for that it is also very easy. First of all click on this visualize and select here front. You can see this is in front view, and after that come to home and take this rectangle command. You know that this windows having 7 feet height and 3 feet width. For that start rectangle from this point and click on this dimension, and you know that the width of this window is 3 feet and height is 7 feet. Now you can see this rectangle, it is a door for 8. And after that click on this offset command. You can say offset and type let's 3 inches offset distance, and click on this rectangle and come down. Offset it 1 2 3 4 5 offset it inside 5 times. And after that, click on this press pull command. You can see this press pull and select this outside rectangle and go to the back side and type 4 inches distance and press enter. And then after that, leave this rectangle and come to second one and select it and go to back side 2 inches, type 2 inches and press enter. Then again leave this one and come to this third one and select it and go to this side 2 inches and press enter. And after that, come to this last one, select it and go to this side, type 2 inches distance and press enter. Now you can see this door is down and press enter to finish the command. If you want to add the material, you can add. Simply come to visualize and click on this material browser, and here different materials are available. You know that. So simply click on this wood. You can see down this wood, so simply click on it and now you can add the materials. Select this door and now let's add this material. You can add, all materials are available. After that, close this. Now you can see your door is completed, and now copy it and sit it that 2 doors. And after that, select this door and right click and move it, specify this is your base point and move it, and leave this rectangles here and then select it and copy it, copy selection and specify this midpoint as your base point and come to this opening and sit at this openings. That color was for door was same to this wall, so it was not good, and I add this material. You can see this material I added, and so now its color is changed, and I rotated this by 45 degrees. After creating this 3D windows and this 3D doors, so now I would like to start the first floor. This is ground floor, and first floor and ground floor having same plane, so I would like to copy this down part and just paste here and sit at the top for the first floor. Now first I want to create a sun sheet for this windows and doors. So you know that it is not required, sun sheets are not required here because upward slab is present here. It is just for your practice. To create this sun sheets, first of all I would like to select the view. You know that this is front view, this 2 windows, so I would like to select this coordinate and front view, so click on this front view, and after that come to home and take this rectangle command and start rectangle command and click on this dimension, and the length should be 7 feet. Type 7 feet and press enter, and you know that the thickness of that sun sheet is 2 inches, 4 inches, so type 4 inches and press enter. Now you can see this rectangle is down here, and after that take line command and start from this midpoint and come down, or 2 should be on by 6 inches, come down, type 6 inches and press enter, and again enter, and again click on this rectangle command and start from this base point and click on dimension and type 4 inches thickness, and then 2 feet. 2 feet is down and press enter. Now you can see it is down, and after that select this rectangle and right click and copy it. Let's specify this is your base point and click at this corner. You can see it is copied and press enter, and then click on this you can see this trim command and remove this part. 2 lines are there, so I removed it, and again come here, remove these 2 lines and press enter, and after that select this 3 object. Do not select this line. You can see this line, it is just for base point. Whenever I will copy it, so it is for base point, and then type join to join them, type join and click on join. Now you can see it is selected as one object. Now you know that this 3D walls, so now I would like to fix it here. So I would like to unvisible this 3D wall. I already created this layer by the name of 3D wall, so I would like to unvisible that layer. Let's come to this layers, and you can see this 3D walls. Simply click on it, unvisible it. Now you can say it is unvisible. So after that, select this object and then right click and copy it and specify this is your base point, and come here and ortho off and specify this midpoint. This midpoint is your end point. Click here and copy it. Copy one here, click at this midpoint. Now you can see both of them are copied here, and after that click on extrude command. You can see this extrude and select this object and also this object and press enter and come to this outside. Let's say it should be 6 inches. Type 6 inches and press enter. Now you can see this sunsheets are down here, and after that for these two windows simply copy it and paste it on. Simply let's right click and copy selection and copy once here. So I would like to rotate it, enter and select it, and then click this 3D rotate, specify this dimension and rotate it on the ortho. It should be rotated by 90 degree. Now simply click here. Now you can see it is rotated, and after that right click and copy selection and specify this midpoint. You can see this midpoint. Cursor your mouse here and come down by, you know that it is 6 inches upward, so 4 inches is the thickness of this frame and 6 inches, so type 10 inches and press enter. Now you can see it is your base point, and after that up there to and come to this midpoint of this rectangle. Simply click here. Now you can see it is copied here, and also copy for this window one here. Now you can see all of them are copied and set it, and after that again come to layers and visible this 3D wall. Click on it. Now you can see the sun shades are down. If you want to increase it to outside this shade, you can simply with the help of press pull command. Click on this press pull command and come here and select this area. You can see simply cursor your mouse and click here. Now you can come to this side. Let's type 4 inches to this side. Now you can see it is increased, and for all of them increase it by 4 inches. You can increase or decrease. As you know that our first floor and ground floor, both of them having same planes and same dimension and everything is same. So for that I would like to copy this ground floor walls, windows, doors, everything to upward. For that simply unvisible once this slab to come to layer. You can see and select this roof and unvisible it. Now you can see it is unvisible, and after that select all of them, select them, and then right click and click on copy selection and specify this corner as your base point, and that two should be on and go upward by how much distance. You know that it is 10 feet, so go upward 10 feet, and 9 inches is the slab thickness, so go upward 10 feet and 9 inches, 10 feet and 9 inches, and press enter. Now you can see it is copied by 10 feet and 9 inches. This 9 inches space is for slab, and again come to layers and visible that roof. Simply click it. Now you can see it is visible, and after that I would like to draw here one down floor as well. For that simply rotate it and click on this rectangle command and start from this end point, end corner, you can see, and then come to this end corner. Simply click it, and after that I come to extrude command. Click on this extrude command and select this rectangle. You can see this rectangle and press right click and come down by 9 inches, so type 9 inches and press enter. Now you can see it is extruded. Let's move it to this side. For that click at this top and select this, and then right click, move it and specify this is base point, and come here, put here, and after that click at this corner and come here. So I would like to increase this slip to this side. For that, simply click on this press pull command and specify this space. Click on this space and come to this side. So it should be, already it was 3 feet, so increase it 2 feet more. Type 2 feet and press enter. Now you can see it is 5 feet, and also select these sides and increase it by 2 feet. Now I am going to set this balusters in this first floor. You know that how to create these balusters. So to create these balusters, the complete video link is given in the description, and go there, watch that video, that how to create these balusters. To set this balusters, first of all I would like to draw one rectangle here. So for that, let's start your rectangle from this point, this corner to this corner. So select the top view, so click on this coordinate and select this top view, and after that take this rectangle command and start your a rectangle from this corner. You can see this corner, cursor your mouse to the surface and start from this corner and end it in this corner, and after that come to layers and unvisible this roof layer. Now you can see it is unvisible. And after that come to this trim command and remove this part, and you can see this line. So I would like to set this balusters only for these 3 sides, and I will do some works for this side, so at the end I will set it there as well. After that take this offset command and type offset distance. It should be 6 inches, and press enter, and then select this rectangle and go inside and click it and press enter to finish the command. Now you can see it is offset it here, and after that select this balusters and right click and copy selection and specify this midpoint is your base point. Let's show that this base point, specify the center is your base point, and after that again rotate this and come to this corner and select it, this corner. You can see this corner, click here, and after that come here and click at this corner one. So then press enter to finish the command, and also set this balusters at this point. After that come to modify and select this path array, click on it and select this baluster and then press enter. Now they ask you to specify the path. You know that this line is path, simply click on this line. Now you can see it is copied many times, and then click on this items below. You can see this items, or type I, press enter, click on this items, and now they see that the distance between this baluster is 6 inches, so it should be, let's 1 feet distance, so type 12 or type 10 inches distance and press enter. Now you can see this distance between this balusters is 10 inches. So if you want to increase, you can increase. Now they see that maximum items is 48. So is it okay? If you want to decrease, you can decrease, or increase, you can increase. So it is okay, simple enter and again enter. Now you can see it is copied, and after that again same procedure follow for this side. You can see it is down, and after that again come to this layers and visible this roof. So now you can see it is down here. So now you can see it is completed, and after that I would like to create one layer by the name of this balusters. So let's create one layer by the name of 3D balusters. And then select this balusters and include to that 3D balusters. select it and come to layers and include it to this 3D balusters. You can see this 3D balusters included. And after that, you know that we have one iron tube on this on the end of this baluster. So now I would like to draw that. To draw that, first of all unvisible this balusters and this roof layers. So come to this layers and unvisible it, and let's unvisible this roof layers and unvisible this 3D baluster. You can see now it is unvisible. And after that, select this three lines. You can see this inside lines. Select all of them and then right click and copy selection and specify this is your base point, and R2 should be on, and go upside to 4 feet and 1 inch, because 4 feet is the baluster height and 1 inch 2 inches dia will be the that circle. And so I would like to go 4 feet and 1 inch, 4 feet and 1 inch, and press enter. And after that, select these three lines and join them and type join and join them. And after that, come to visualize and select this right view, and then come to this circle and select this center diameter, and let's specify this is your base point, and the diameter should be 2 inches, and type 2 inches and press enter. Now you can see this circle is down here. And after that, come to this sweep command. Take the sweep command and select this circle and then press enter, and then select this line. Now you can see it is swept around it. Now you can see it is complete. Make that and 3D stairs. It is very easy and simple. I will set that 3D stairs in this side. So I would like to start from this side, my 3D stairs, but I can draw the stairs to anywhere. Then I will sit in this side. You know that the height of this wall is 10 feet, and the thickness of this slab is almost 9 inches. So I will consider 10 feet and 9 inch distance for that stairs. So to draw the stairs, first of all I would like to unvisible this wall 3D wall layers and this balusters. Then it will be easy to work, and my computer will be less load. So for that, unvisible this 3D balusters and also this 3D wall. And after that, click visualize and select this top view, and also click at this top, and now draw here your stairs. For that, click on line command and start, and let's start my stairs. Here I will draw here, then I will sit into this side. So the length, type 6 feet. It is 6 feet, and then press enter. Now you can see this line having 6 feet length. And then after that, click on offset command and type offset distance 1 feet and press enter. Then select this line and go upward. 1 feet is offset distance, and draw here by this method. Now you can see the rise of each stair is 6 inches. So total these are 10 stairs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and they having 6 inches rises. So total height will become 5 feet, and 5 feet from for this side, and 9 inch will be the this middle. And after that, click on this rotate command. You can see this rotate. Do not click on this 3D rotate, and this click on this 2D rotate, and select this all lines and press right click, and then specify this is your base point, and click on this copy. And down you can see this copy. Simply click on it, and now type your angle. It should be 90 degree or ortho should be on. And simply click here. Now you can see it is down, and again select this and right click and move it, specify this is your base point, click here this point, simply click here, and after that click on line command and start from this point your line and click it, adjust at this corner, simply click here and then come down and click at this end point and press enter, and again line command, start your line from this point and come to this corner, click here and then come to this corner and press enter. Now you can see this is a 2D plane of your stairs which was not included to this 2D plane, so it is now I made. After that click at this coordinate, select word form and rotate it this orbit form, and then click on this press pull command, click inside this rectangle, you can see this inside this rectangle, and then come here and click on this multiple and select this all, and then press right click or enter, and then go upward and 2 inches, type 2 inches distance and press enter. Now you can see they are in 3D form, and click on visualize and this select this shaded with edges, select this shaded with edges. Now I would like to move this edge stairs differently, up to upward 6 inches by 6 inches to each other. Click on this stair and right click and move and specify this corner is your top corner is your base point, and click on it and go upward, so the distance should be 12 inches, type 12, enter, and after that select this stair and right click and move it and specify this corner is your base point and go upward and type, and the distance it is now 18 inches, press enter, and after that select them one by one and increase by. And now you can see the stairs are down, but I must sure that the height of this stair is 10 feet and 9 inches, because this wall having 10 feet height and 9 inches is the slab thickness. So for that to check the height, let's check it. And now you can see this line is from this bottom to this top stair, so simply click on, double click on it, and now you can see the length of this line has 10 feet and 9 inches. It is confirmed that the height from this bottom, from ground to this top slip, it is 10 feet and 9 inches. Now you can see these stairs are completed and they are correct and their height is correct. So now I would like to sit here balusters. You know that I have already drawn this balusters. How to draw this balusters, so its video link is given below in the description, and go there and watch it, and you will be able, at the end of that video you will be able to draw this baluster. So now I would like to copy it and sit at this stair. So for that first of all click on visualize and select this front view, and then it should be this in 2D form, and then select this balusters and right click and move it, and let's specify this is your base point, and come here and click at this midpoint and after that again select and right click and copy selection, and then specify this is your base point and copy it this point, and also copy it at all the midpoint of this stairs. After driving to this side and this balusters for mm, right side, for this side I would like to use mirror to copy to that side easily. For that click on this visualize, and first of all select this top view, and then come here and select this top, click on this top, and select this all balusters, and then click on this modify and click on this mirror command. And now they ask you to specify the mirror line, so simply click at this midpoint and go upward. R2 must be on, and then simply click where you want. Let's click here. And if you want to erase the source of object, then simply click on no. Now you can see it is mirrored to this side. So for that, now I would like to check it. Now you can see it is mirrored to that side, and also mirror it this side. For this side, let's come here and mirror it, rotate this. Now I would like to mirror this side. For that, click on this modify and select this mirror, and select this object 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, this 10 balusters, and then right click and then specify this midpoint as your base point and click where you want. Because R2 is on and this is a mirror line, click here and then click on this no, I mean do not remove this part, so click on no. Now you can see it is mirrored to this side. For this landing part, I would like to copy one hit this corner. So for that, to draw balusters here, simply I would like to draw two lines here. Start one line from this end point and finish at this end point, and then one line to this side, finish here, and then after that press enter. And now copy one baluster here. So select this baluster, you can say, and copy selection and specify the base point. Let's this is my base point, and move it, come to this corner, R2 off, and selected this corner. Simply click at this corner and press enter. Now you can see it is copied at this corner. After that, I would like to use path array. So select path array and select this object, and then right click and then select this line, and then click on this items. You can see this items, and the distance should be 12 inch, type 12 inch distance. And now current they are 7, so it should be 5, type 5 and press enter. And for this side, use path array by same procedure. After setting this baluster, so now I would like to make the hand of this on the top of this balusters. So for that, click on this line command and start your line from this baluster midpoint, and then come here and finish your line at this midpoint and press enter. And after that, again draw one line here, click on line command and start your line from this midpoint. Let's and come to this baluster midpoint, click at this at the center, this point at the midpoint of this baluster, And after that, again click on line command and start from this end point of this line and draw one line, and to come to this point, click at this end point. Simply click here and press enter, and then click on this line and click at this point and come here and sit at this midpoint. Now you can see these two lines are selected, and select these three lines and type join to join it. Click on join. Now you can see these lines are joined and it is selected as a one line. And also draw for this side one line, same. And after that, draw one circle, uh, center diameters, and draw one circle here, and let's its diameter should be 3 inches. Now you can see this small circle and select it and copy it. Make one copy of it. Let's copy it here and press enter. And after that, come to home menu and click on this sweep command. You can see this sweep. Click on it and select this one circle, and then enter, and select this line to sweep along this path. And after that, again click on sweep command and select this circle, and then enter, and then select this line to sweep along this path. And after that, click on visualize and click on this realistic view. Now you can see it is completed. This all these stairs are now completed. Now you can see the stairs are completed. So now I would like to group all of them and select this part. Let's select this, and then right click and click on this group. You can see this group, simply group it. If you want to add the color to this space, for that come to this home menu and solid editing and click on this color faces. Select this color face and select this space. Let's select this space and right click, and then select your color, which color you want. Simply click on it and then press OK. Now you can see this color is added to this space, and by the same procedure, add to all this space faces this color. Now you can see this stairs are completed, and now I would like to set it here. So for that, click on it and right click and move it, and specify this is your base point. This corner, select, click on this corner and come to this side and select this corner of slab is your end point. Click here at this point. Now you can see it is seated and completed. And so now I would like to own other layers. For that, click on this layers and select this layer and click on this 3D walls, and as well for this 3D balusters. On this 3D balusters, you can see this 3D balusters on it. Now you can see it is completed, and these stairs are seated here at this corner. And now I would like to copy this top balusters to down as well, and see I want to sit here. I've already deleted that part, so select this, also this slab, and right click and then copy selection and specify this corner is your base point, and come down and click at this corner. You can see this corner, simply click at this. Now you can see it is copied here. Before to start it, I would like to unvisible some layers, that this 3D steers and this balusters. So now I would like to unvisible that. Click on this layers and select this 3D balusters and click here to unvisible it, and then 3D steers unvisible it. Now it will be easy to work in this area. So after that, uh, select this coordinate. You can see select this lift. You can see this lift. I will start my work here. So for that, select lift view, and after that click on line command and start your line from this corner. Draw here one line, and after that again come to layer and unvisible this 3D wall layers. For that, click on this 3D walls, unvisible it. Now you can see it is unvisible, and after that again click on line command and start from this middle point and go upward. Ortho must be on and type 5 feet distance upward. Type 5 feet and press enter, and then again enter. Then click on line command and start your line from this end point, and then ortho off and click it at this point, and then click it this point and press enter, and then select all of them and copy it. Copy here and press enter. After that, delete this line, this in the center, and select these two lines and type join. To join them, simply type join and click on this join. Now you can see they are joined and selected as one object. And after that, click on offset and type offset distance 4 inches and press enter, and then select this lines, two lines, and come to inside and click here, and then press enter, and after that click on this trim command and remove this part, and also this middle point, middle part, and remove this part and press enter, and then select this all lines, select all of them and join. For that, type join and click on join to join them. Now you can see they are selected as one object. And after that, rotate it and click on press pull command, and select this object and come to this side, type 15 feet and press enter. Now you can see it is created, and press enter again, and now come to this rectangle and delete this middle line and type join. Now you can see it is selected as one object, and after that click on extrude command, this extrude command or press pull command. You can click on any of them, and then select this object and right enter, press enter, and come to this side, type 4 inches distance, 4 inch, and then press enter, and then select this object, right click, and then copy it, copy selection, and specify this C end point is your base point, this corner end point, and from here this corner, you can see this corner. Now you can see it here and press enter, After that, come to the second room roof. For that, click on layers and visible the 3D wall. Click on this 3D wall, visible it. Now you can see 3D walls are visible. And after that, again click on line command and start your line from this corner. Start line from this corner and come here and click at this corner. And press enter. Then again unvisible these 3D walls. Click on these 3D walls. You can see these 3D walls. Unvisible it. And click on line command and start your line from this middle point. Start from this middle point and go upward. Type 5 feet distance. R2 must be on. Type 5 feet distance. And after that, off the R2 and click at this point, this corner, and press enter. And then again start your line from this point to this corner and press enter. And select all of them, these 4 lines, and right click and copy selection and specify this is your base point and click upward. Copy them here. Let's copy it here and press enter. And after that, delete this middle line. And after that, click on offset command and type offset distance 4 inches and then select this object, this line, come to this inside and select this line and come to inside and press enter. And then click on this trim command and remove this part. And again select all of them and type join. Click on join. Now you can see they are selected as one object and rotate it. And click on extrude command and select this object and then right click. You know that this room width is 20 feet, so type 20 feet and press enter. Now you can see it is drawn. After that, again select these 3 lines and join them. And then click on this extrude command and select this rectangle and then right click or enter and then come to this side, type 4-inch distance. And after that, select it and right click and copy selection and specify this is your base point, this end point. And then come to this side and sit at this corner. And press enter. Select these 3 portions and include it to layer some layer. Let's include it to layer 7, this 7 layer 7, and after that unvisible this layer. unvisible this 7 layer. Now you can say it is unvisible. Then click on this press pull command and select this space. You can see this space, select this space, and come to this side, type 5 feet distance to this side, 5 feet, and then select this space and come to this side, type 5 feet outside, and then press enter. After that, come to layer and visible that number 7 layer. You can see this number 7 layer. Now they are inside, it is visible inside this part. And now you can see this opening. So now I would like to close this opening. For that, simply click on this press pull command and select this face, select this space. You can see this space and come to this side and simply click on this corner. You can see this corner, simply click here and press enter. Now you can see it is completed. To color these spaces, so come to this solid editing and click here and select this color face, and after that select that face and let's click on this space and then press enter. And select the color, which color you want to add to it, and let's click on this color and press OK. Now you can see that color is added to this face, and again click on this color and select this inside face. This face and then enter, and again select the color and OK, and then press enter. Now you can see these colors are added and rope is completed. So after that, come to layer and on the other layers, like that 3D walls. Click on this 3D walls. 3D walls are visible now. And after that, click on this 3D balusters. And also click on this 3D stairs. Now you can see this roof is completed. Now you can say these roofs are completed and give to this space this blue color. It looks good. Now to make this second type roof, for that I would like to unvisible these stairs and balusters. And then click on this rectangle command. You can see this rectangle and start your rectangle from this corner and come and click at this corner. You can see this corner, simply click here, and after that click on this extrude command and select this rectangle, and then right click and go upward and type 9-inch distance. And after that again draw another rectangle, start from this corner. You can see this corner, click here this corner and come and click at this corner. And click at this corner. Now you can see this rectangle is drawn. After that, add this roof to any layer. Let's add it to this 7th number layer, add it to it, and then unvisible it, head it, simply click on it. Now it is unvisible. After that, create this 2D object. You can see this 2D object by the help of line command and arc command. And if you cannot create it, I have given the its video link in the description, and go there and watch that video that how to create this 2D object. So it is easy. And after that, click on sweep command and select this 2D object and press enter, and then select this rectangle. Now you can see it is created the roof. And after that, again come to this layers and on that 7 number layers. Now you can see this roof is drawn. And click on this layers and visible this 3D balusters and this 3D stairs. Now you can see this is the second type of roof. Now you can see this 3D model is completed. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, you can ask, simply comment your question.